How to find a lost Android phone even if it's dead or offline for quite some time. So the first thing is get hold of a laptop or a PC, open a browser and just get onto Find My Device. Do a search for Find My Device and click on the first option. Now I know you know how to do a tracking using Find My Device. You may have a fair idea, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly use this so that you could actually trace your phone. So you could click on sign in and log in with the same email address which was on your lost or stolen Android phone. Once you do that, Find My Device is going to trace your phone to a specific location. You could see that this is traced to a location out here. You could zoom in and find the exact street and all those things. But what if you have no clue about this place? What if, your phone has been here for quite some time? You have never ever been to this place. Somebody has actually stolen your phone and was actually there. That is the last location. So it is a high probability that if you get to this place or location, you get back your phone. So what you need to do is get the exact location for this place. It's only then you could get to this place, right? If you do not know this place, you cannot go there. So in order for you to get the exact location, just go ahead and click on the icon out here. Once you do that, you get directed to this page on which you see the exact coordinates of the last location for your phone. So to the left, you get the coordinates, and to the right out here, you get a red pin showing you the exact location of the phone or where the phone was last. So you could just click on this option, and if there is details about the specific location, you're going to see that out here as an address in this box. You could zoom out and you can try and find the location. If you know the area, if the map is giving you the name of the place and everything, you could get to this place and try and recover your phone. So this is the latest way to utilize Google Find My Device to actually trace your phone even if it is dead or it is offline. When your phone is lost or stolen, somebody finds it and they do not want to give it back to you. Obviously, they're stealing the phone because of the fact they want to use it. Right? So someday or the other, it is going to come on. So the moment it is going to come on is going to be recorded out here on Find My Device. So this is how this application works. And I hope you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.